You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, beautiful word, meaning language, or it's pretty much what it means. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Idiom. It's a group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from those of the individual words. Example, over the moon, see the light. Idiom. E-D-M. The stress is on the first syllable. An idiom. Not idiom or idiom. Idiom. It's easy. English pronunciation, idiom. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.